All right, after we get all our fill panels on and we're ready to measure our valley cuts, we're going to measure from the eave to the ridge and write those down in order. So when we're measuring these, we want to measure from a profile on the shake, and then we'll go ahead and measure into that two-piece valley. Go ahead and measure the bottom of the panel and also the top of the panel. And we'll write those down on our list. And we'll write down from the eave to the ridge. Once we get all those measured and written down, we're going to go ahead and take our list to our cutting station. Find that same profile that we measured from on the roof, and go ahead and come back, read my measurements, and go ahead and mark those. And we can come back with a straight edge, mark that cut line, take it to our cutter. We're going to go ahead and cut the valley cut. And we also want to dog ear the top of the panel when we're going into the valley. So we'll cut that one just like so. Also remember, sometimes when you're cutting those, they'll flatten out the panel, so just make sure we reshape those panels. Then once I get all my cuts done, I'm going to have a pile, and it'll be in order from my eave to my ridge. I'll go ahead and hand that pile up and start installing. Alright, once we've measured and cut our panels, we'll go ahead and bring our pile. That's going to be in order from the eave to the ridge, up to the roof. Take that first panel, slide that into our two-piece valley, and then we'll install this as normal. Getting our fasteners in our front nose and our back shelf. Make sure we don't put any fasteners over our valley pan. Keep all the fasteners on the outside of the valley. So then once we get that first one on, we'll just go ahead and take the next panel from our pile, slide those into the two-piece valley, and fasten as normal. Now, if we do need to put a fastener in over the valley pan to hold these together, we use our 3/4 inch stitch screw to stitch those in together. Just like that. And then we'll just continue with our pile. Going up the roof until we've completed our valley.